Welcome to the HB801 instructions on how to clean and disinfect the analyzer. It is important that the analyzer is cleaned and disinfected on a regular basis. If the measurement cannot be performed due to need of cleaning, a swab symbol will be displayed. The following procedure describes how to clean and disinfect the analyzer. To start the cleaning procedure, turn the analyzer off by pressing the on-off button to the left. Remove the micro cuvette holder from the analyzer. Lightly dampen a cotton swab with cleaning agent and clean all surfaces inside the cavity. Make sure to clean all the way down. Use another dampened swab to clean the micro cuvette holder. Lightly dampen a wipe with cleaning agent and clean all outer surfaces. Now the analyzer is ready for disinfection. Using disinfectant, wipe the micro cuvette holder, as well as all outer surfaces, and let dry according to instructions for disinfectant use. Gently reattach the micro cuvette holder and turn the analyzer back on by pressing the on-off button. Your HB801 is now ready for use. For more information, please visit chemoq.com.